Okay, so this is going to be a quick little video on Smali and how to read it. So you can see here I've made a very simple application, just a Hello World app. I have created this class called dog, and let's look at that. Okay, it's a data class. It has a var age, and that's an integer, and then a val name, that's a string. These are initialized with 10 and Fido for the string. And then there's this function, add to age. So I've already decompiled it with the APK tool. Let's look at what that looks like under the hood in Smali. So here you can see here's the Smali class. It's got this method right here, which is this right here. So let's look at these two side by side. All right, you can see this add to age. It takes in a parameter and adds it to the age and stores that back in the age variable. So here we go, add to age. You can see here parameter P1, that's what's passed right here. Let's start at the top actually. You see this method, here's the name, and the I is for what is the type of the parameter. So you can see here the type is integer, and you see I for type integer. V, that's the return type for the for the method, and you can see, and that's for void. And you can see here this doesn't return anything, so it returns a void. All right, parameter register 1, P1, or parameter register P1 is num. So that's this right here. That's the parameter register P1, and that's num. It's an integer. That's commented out for you. All right, next one is iget. Iget, and then V0, register V0, register P0. You see L and the full class name, age, the instance field. So let's look up this website right here, and I recommend you bookmark this if you're going to be doing this a lot. So let's look at it. What was it? iget. Let's look up iget. Okay, here we go. iget right here. So it reads an instance field into VX. The instance is referenced by VY. So it reads an instance field into VX. So it gets VY dot field ID and reads it into VX. So let's look at that. It reads P0. P0 is this. So dog is this dog object. So this dot age, and it reads it into register V0. P0 is almost always this. And then what else? I get the instance field, and it reads it into VX, which is the first one. So it's going to read this P0, this dot dog, or dot age, this dot age, and it puts it into V0, register V0. And we see add int. I think it's pretty clear what that means, but let's just look it up anyways. See, does it have this? Here we go. This is better. Adds VY to VX. That's what we're looking for. Add int to address. So yeah, adds VY to VX. So adds V0 to P1. Is that right? Adds VY to VX. So adds P1 to V0. And what's in V0? It's this dot age. So P1 is the parameter right here, num. This num, that's P1. And it adds that to V0, which is this dot age. It adds it to it. Okay. Now iput, let's look up iput. Okay. Puts VX, so in this case it would be V0, into an instance field. The instance is referenced by VY, so it's going to put it into P0 dot age, Oh no, it puts vx into an instance field. The instance is referenced by vy. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it puts this into an instance field, v0, and it's referenced by p0, which is this dot age. So v0 now has this dot age after the binary operations have been done.